I've been trading on Darwinex Zero for quite a long time with a few accounts. I received allocations, requested withdrawals and received them. However, it is really hard to find profitable expert advisors that are consistent over time. So today I decided to open a live account and follow other profitable traders. Why not? It is a kind of investment opportunity because I will not be trading myself, but I will invest my funds in other traders with totally different strategies. So this is one of my Darwinex Zero accounts where I'm trading an expert advisor. I have 110,000 euro assets under management. My position is going higher every day, and if I show you the earnings, you will see that one time I requested a withdrawal of 815 euro and I have another 478 that I can request at the beginning of next quarter. But this is an account that I'm trading myself with a robot on MetaTrader, and this happens on the Darwinex Zero website where you can sign up for 38 euro, and if you use a coupon Petko 20 you are getting 20 euro discount, or this means you pay just 18 euro and then you pay 38 euro a month. This is to have your own trading account where you will be trading yourself. Now the Darwinex.com is a different thing. This is where you can open a live account and you can follow other traders, or you can invest in the strategies that other traders are using. And there is the Darwinex UK, the Darwinex EU and the Darwinex Global. And I want to quickly show you how it works with a small design I created myself for the Darwinex course. Actually, I'll leave a link down below in the description to the Darwinex course, because there I explain everything you need to know about the Darwinex Zero. And here, if you are a trader who has an account in Darwinex Zero, you are giving the signals from your account to the hedge fund. On the other side are the investors, and Darwinex.com is regulated by the FCA, which is one of the strictest regulators. So here are the investors who put their money in the hedge fund. Now the hedge fund trades these positions against the market. If it loses, obviously the hedge fund loses, the investors lose, but the traders do not lose anything because they are trading with allocation. If they profit, the investors receive 80%, and from the remaining 20%, 5 stays with the hedge fund and 15 goes to the traders. So in this video, I'll be on the other side for the very first time. I'll be with Darwinex.com where the investors are. This morning I have opened the account, and there are a few steps you need to follow. You need to select if you want to have an individual live account or a corporate live account, and there are a few questions about your income, how much you're planning to invest, what is your experience in trading and investing, and if you qualify you can open your live account. And I already did that, and I uploaded my documents and now they are reviewing them. So let me show you the idea. I can look for traders by looking at their performance, right? So all of these are traders just like me on the other side at Darwinex Zero, and here we can see their performance, like how much capital investors put in this strategy, what was the return in the last 3 months or the drawdown in the last 3 months, and what's the Darwinex score. If I scroll lower, you will see that we have the top 20 Darwins with the highest number of investors on the Darwin exchange. The first trader got over $30 million in investors capital, but they have a very long track record record. Over 9 years and 6 months they have been on the platform, and the return is impressive, 770%, with a drawdown of negative 14.47%. That is really impressive indeed, I can admit. And if you look at the other guys, they are performing well too. A return of 192% in the last 7 years, 133% in the last 4 years. If I scroll lower, you will see a lot of traders who are trading really well. Some have a little bit higher drawdowns, others maintain a lower drawdown, but it really depends on the strategy that they're using. And I don't know, or we cannot see the strategy that they are trading or the expert advisor they are using. What we see is just the performance. So how do you pick which trader you want to follow? If I go back to the help section, you will see that there is one that helps you create a Darwin portfolio, and here the suggestion is to diversify your risk between several Darwins. The optimal number of Darwins would be between 4 and 8, which means that you should not copy the trades of only one trader, but you can pick a few and build your portfolio between different strategies, which is kind of a great investment opportunity. You can look at the Darwin's risk management that is measured by the risk stability and loss aversion. You can select the Darwins with a good D score, which analyzes the quote of the Darwin for the last 5 years. But if you're not in a rush, and when it comes to investing and trading, you shouldn't be really in a rush, you can keep track of the Darwins and see how they perform with the time before you take the step to invest. However, I really don't want to suggest any of these guys because I don't know who is behind and what strategy or expert advisor they use. So while they are reviewing my documents, I will look through all of these strategies and I will pick a few that I will start following. I'm planning to fund my account with $1,000 after my documents are verified, but please don't take that as a piece of financial advice. Don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. This is an old quote in trading, but it is so true. As soon as I have my live account and I start following some of the traders, I will record a video with the results so you can see if it is really worth the time and the money. Actually, the time is worthwhile, I believe, because I won't be doing anything, right? I'll just copy the trades and the signals that come from these Darwins with their strategies. The money we will see a little bit later this year, I believe, in this channel. And if you don't want to miss these videos, you guys make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so this video will spread on YouTube, and I hope it will be useful to the other traders. And before I tell you that I love you guys, I need to share with you that this is the last video I'm recording from this studio. I've been here for 3 years and now it is time to move, and I have a great setup that is coming up and you will see it in the next video. Now before you go, check out this one on my site to learn more about Darwinex Zero and how I am getting funded with expert advisors. As always, I love you and I'll see you in the new studio. Cheers!